Hey everyone, welcome back to LeetCode Daily Challenge video on CodeCrafter. Today we are taking problem number 1614, which is maximum nesting depth of parentheses. This problem dives into understanding valid parenthesis sequences and their nested depths. So it's quite interesting one, so let's delve right in. So let me go with the problem explanation first. In this LeetCode problem 1614, we are given a string represents a valid parenthesis sequence, which is VPC, and our goal is to determine the nesting depth of parenthesis in this string. So the nesting depth of the string is defined as maximum level of nesting parenthesis it contains. Let's solidify the concept with some examples. If you see the example one, you saw a string, right? So with the parenthesis, and here the nesting depth is 8 because the digit 8 is enclosed with 3 levels of nesting parenthesis. So if you see the second one, which is the second example, on the string the nesting depth is 3 because each pair of I can say each pair of parenthesis increases the depth by 1, and there are 3 nesting pairs of parentheses, hence maximum nesting depth is 3. To conquer this problem we have to adopt the straightforward approach, so which is efficient one. We will iterate through each character in a string first, and we will whenever we encounter a open parenthesis we will increment the current nesting string depth by 1, and uh, conveniently I can say, when we came across the closing parenthesis, so we will decrement the nesting. I can say nesting depth by -1, so which is -1. Throughout this process, we will keep track on the maximum nesting depth encountered, and finally we will return the maximum nesting depth as a result. So if you see here, this approach ensures that an efficient determination and nesting depth for a parenthesis string. All right, now we got the problem strategy to tackle the issue. So let's jump into the code implementation. Now this code explanation, this Python solution as per the approach we discussed before. So we have to iterate each character in a input string s, and increment in a counter count for each open parenthesis, and decrement it for each closing parenthesis. It updates the maximum variable to store maximum nesting depth encountered during the iteration. Finally we will return max, which is holds the maximum nesting depth. And you have done it, folks. So we have successfully tackled LeetCode problem 1614, which is daily code challenge. So we have done maximum nesting depth of parentheses. So
And there you have it. We have successfully tackled daily LeetCode problem. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to CodeCrafter for more LeetCode daily challenges and programming tutorials. Thanks for tuning in. Happy coding.